seen them in, 27 years? God, Swan, did you have a thing with one of these girls? You never told me.
You know what? I hate ugly girls like you. So why don't you just get out of my face?
Fucking offense. Stay away from my girlfriend from now on. Got it?
Have you ever wanted to, lay a curse on someone?
It's been 27 years, y'all. Why now?
I bring a gift. I seek your guidance. I wish to be free, like moths shedding our cocoons.
Abyss. Everyone thinks they know what's best for me. But they don't. I deserve revenge. I'll be your queen of this infernal hotel! Cut! No!
Hey, out of my way! Out of my way! Move it!
She's sick. Get it? Leukemia. And she's running out of time.
Here you go. Ma'am?
Oh. Sorry. Thanks.
You okay, honey? You look like you saw a ghost.
You gotta stop watching that ghost hunting show.
Okay, everyone's a skeptic until it happens to them.
It's just been a long night. Guess I can't stay out as late as I used to.
Come on, girl. You are young, and the night's young too. Huh. Age is just how you feel, right, Gus?
Speak for yourself. I'm old as shit.
Well, we won't keep you. Glad you're all right.
So, how much for the drinks?
$18.
Okay, one sec. Thanks. Here you go.
Don't know how you haul those bags of ice all night long. My back would be screaming.
Here.
Thanks. Whoa. Your tattoo.
Yeah, the design's based on a dream I had. Guess it was more than just a dream. We should talk about what happened to Kat.
Yeah. We can't keep avoiding it.
Why? There's nothing to say.
Nor
Nothing good.
we should talk about her. About what happened at the concert. Even if it's hard.
We were really brave, right? Just putting ourselves out there like that.
Really? Well, I regret it.
Yeah. Me too.
Kat was sick. She was fucking dying. Who cares if we sang a shitty song to a bunch of drunks?
Nor. I wish she was here. She should be with us in this stupid bar right now.
Fuck.
The package. It's for Bloom and Rage. For all of us.
One of you should do it. I'm not touching that thing.
Okay. I'll do it. Here goes. I mean, we can't put it off all night, right?
We can't.
I feel like I might throw up.
No matter what, try to stay calm. We don't want to make a scene here.
Whoa.
What?
No way. It's our lock. The one we found at Vaughn's Rest.
What the hell?
And there's a note.
Fuck. What's it say?
Remember us. It's from Kat.
What?
What?
How?
That's not possible. Is it?
How did she do it? Is she still alive?
We all know her cancer was terminal.
But still, how? And why now?
Wait. It's covered in newspaper articles from that summer, when she was still alive.
She wanted to tell us something.
Check the lock. Try to open it, Swan.
I'm trying to remember, but we knew how to open this.
Yeah. Didn't each symbol have some special meaning to us?
What in the world was she thinking? I guess that sounds
after
familiar.
everything that went down, she still had something left to say.
But then, where has it been all this time?
It won't budge.
Shit.
It's all rusted.
Fuck. How are we gonna open it then?
There's gotta be a way.
Why would she lock it? We must be forgetting something else.
I don't want to play these stupid games.
We knew the code. Let's think.
Nah. I'm going out for a smoke.
Seriously. Right now.
Wait, Nora. We need you.
I know. Sorry.
What now? I guess we just hope she comes back.
I don't know how to help her, honestly.
Me neither. I warned her that tonight might get heavy. I guess she wasn't ready. Maybe we can get that lock open in the meantime. Shit. Right now? Seriously? I'll be right back.
Where should I start? Kat, she... I don't even know where to start. Kat's fucking dying. Jesus. Kat started bleeding. She fell. Then Dylan told us. Kat should have told us she's sick. It's not fair.
Have you found Dad's thermos yet?
Crap. It's still at Fawn's rest.
Don't act like you forgot. You're cleaning up at the Blue Spruce. I still can't believe this was all your idea. It's not the Swan I know. I mean, what on earth were you thinking?
We didn't do anything wrong. We just played a song.
A vulgar song, from what I heard.
Ugh. Mom.
Remember what we talked about. Clean up your mess, then apologize. And finish packing that box before you go.
Mom will kill me if I don't pack this stupid box. Mom did say no phone for a week. But I'll make it quick.
Ranch, Corey speaking.
Oh, is Kat home?
Which one are you? The fat girl.
That's really mean. Like, do you always have to be such an asshole?
All right. Fuck off. Don't call again.
tell you no phone? You need to get going.
Malakian House?
Oh, hi. This is Swan Holloway. Is Nora home?
Nora can't come to the phone right now. Sorry. We can try next week.
Oh, okay. Bye. I should probably get changed. This is fine, I guess. I thought I looked so badass. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Oh, jeez, oh, Pete. Snowy? Remember when I was actually excited about the move, Fluffbutt? Feels like forever ago. What else? We're really moving soon. Done. Finally. Better head out. Where's my bag, Fluffbutt? Oh, Snowy. I guess I didn't really tell you about how our concert went. It was awesome. At first. We even had, like, a real live audience. Some of them were kind of heckling us. Buttholes. Anyway, I filmed the whole thing. I'll have to show you sometime. I actually like the way I look in this photo. See you later, Snowy. This sucks. I should take some footage of what happened. For us. I'll clean up after. Or maybe I should get the apology over with first. Wonder if Dylan's working today.
Hey, kid. Yeah, you. Got a question for you.
You wanted to ask me something?
Yeah. You haven't seen a book around here, have you? It's called The Night's Dark Kiss?
I don't think so. Why?
My friend Gus lent it to me. And of course, I must have dropped it with all the hubbub here last night. Say, you're one of those girls in that band, right? Blood and Rage? Something like that.
Bloom and Rage, actually. I'm just here to help clean up.
All by yourself?
Yeah. Well, we all got in trouble, you know.
Is your friend okay? The little one who fainted?
She wouldn't want me to talk about it.
I hear you. Just hope she's okay. Seems like a spirited kid. By the way, those guys who were heckling you, they don't know shit about shit.
I hate those guys.
Take it from me, sister. Guys like that aren't worth your time. Don't let them stop you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Can I ask you something? Did you see anything strange that night? Out in the woods?
Do you believe in magic? Not like David Copperfield, but for real?
I knew something was different about you. You girls remind me so much of me and my friends when I was your age. We used to go off wandering in those woods all the time. Of course, it's hard for me to remember much about those days now.
There's something strange here.
Yeah, No kidding.
What did you see?
This one time, I was hiking with a friend and went to answer nature's call behind a tree, and I saw this thing just over the ridge. No idea what it was, but it was too tall and hairy to be a man. Everyone thought I was crazy, of course. Bet you think so too. When I was your age, I thought most women my age were just sort of pathetic. Sorry. I'm talking your ear off. Don't mind me. Everyone thinks I'm crazy anyway. But I thought your show was just great. I hope you didn't get in too much trouble.
Bye.
Jeez, oh. Something is seriously wrong with those guys. What? Lame.
What the fuck? What are you doing here? You shouldn't be here.
I just need a minute.
Whatever, just wait outside. I'm off soon.
Oh, jeez. Is this your book?
Oh, that's it. Thank you so much.
Glad I could help. Our banner. Oh, seriously? They trashed our stuff? Even after what happened? Oh, that's so unfair.
Do you hear me? Stupid, dumb, fucking assholes!
We did get a little carried away.
Yikes. Glad none of these hit us. Fuck.
Kat. I hope she's okay.
Well, that's the fun part, I guess.
Now gotta deal with the mess. Maybe they left something I can use around here.
Might as well clean up. Okay. What else?
That works. Anything else? Done.
That was fun. Not.
Now what? Guess I should get the apology over with. I just want to go home.
Hey. Here to cause some more trouble? Kat and her weirdo friends.
I'm sorry we made a mess.
You should be. My boss blamed me once he realized it was my kid's sister.
I never meant for it to get this out of hand.
No one here cares about your so-called rebellion or your vulgar music. I really wish Kat never even met you guys.
So, how's Kat doing?
I figured that's what you really came here about. Ugh, you and your idiot friends really screwed up. You know that? She's still in the hospital. Ugh. Corey's supposed to drive me there right now. And it really didn't go well yesterday.
Are you doing okay? You must have been scared too.
I'm used to it. Kat, she's in and out of the hospital a lot. Corey helps. Well, normally. But you guys really got everyone worked up.
Corey's an idiot.
You sound like Kat. Kat told me about that movie or whatever it is you're making. She was going on and on about the tape of your stupid concert. Like, why do you carry that thing everywhere anyway? You think you're like some girl Tarantino or something? Can you just go away? You don't want to be here when Corey shows up.
Can I interview you about Corey? You can vent about him if you want.
Trust me. If Corey saw, he'd lose his shit.
You could just say you're talking about your love story.
Oh, sure. Yeah, we're a fucking fairy tale. You know what? Why not? So, fire away.
Okay, rolling. Can you slate for me?
Am I supposed to know what that means?
Yeah, sorry, state your name, age, and something about you for the camera.
I'm Dylan Michelson. I'm 20, and I don't know, I work at this bar. It sucks.
Thanks. Okay, let me just think of a question. How'd you guys meet?
It was here. I was working a lot whenever my parents didn't need me at home. This one drunk customer was hitting on me, like, really skeevy. Corey came in and told him to buzz off. I thought they were about to fight, and then the guy just barfed all over him. I felt bad, so I helped clean him up. He told me he'd seen me around for a while. And then he asked me out. The rest is history.
A real knight in shining armor.
I thought so. But, my parents didn't. It was tough. But, he won them over eventually. Once he started working for Dad. I think my parents like him more than me. My dad did always want a son. I just wish he would try and get along with Kat, too. Like, yeah, she's a pain in the ass, but she's sick, you know?
You sound so sad. Is it about Kat?
What? Like, you really care?
I do. Tell me.
Do you ever look in the mirror and think, would anyone, like, even notice if I disappeared? They all think I have it easy. I'm not sick, but it affects me too. She's my sister. I care about her. And I've always tried to help, you know?
If you disappeared, Kat would notice.
Yeah, right.
I think she hates Corey because she misses what you were like before him.
I'm allowed to have one thing in my life that's for me, okay? It can't all be about her. Maybe you should leave. He'll be here any minute. If he's already in a bad mood, seeing you would just set him off more.
Are you sure Corey's the one?
What?
You just seem like so sad when you talk about him. Anyway, guess I should go.
Just here for the empties.
Oh? Sure.
Your other friend didn't stay for long, eh? Nora? Was that her name?
No, she just needed some air. We're working through some things.
I get it. We've all been there. Hope you all are able to work it out. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thanks.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
What's this dumb bitch doing here?
Leave her alone.
That's no way to say hello.
Leave me alone.
Shut up.
You were supposed to be here half an hour ago.
No. You're crazy. This is when you said to get here.
Crazy? Seriously?
You say something to piss her off, loser?
Why are you so mean to her? Isn't she your girlfriend?
Hey, who the hell do you think you are? Both of you, just shut up. Do you want a ride or not? 'Cause I can leave.
Fine. You can just drop me off. Kat won't want to see you anyway.
Come on, Dylan.
Take me with you. Please.
What? Hell no.
Whatever. Let's just go.
That's my girl.
Take me with you. Please.
No.
Not now, Corey.
Come on.
You should probably go home.
When the moon is high, I could touch the sky, and the world seems so wide. How long will I have to wait before I step through that gate into the wild unknown? Find a place like home. How far will I have to go? Which way will the river flow? Will I always be watching from my window? I've got a feeling I can't deny. Something burning deep inside. I can't erase this empty space. I could disappear without a trace. How long will I have to wait before I step through the
Swan here.
just me. It's been like total radio silence from the others. So I'm heading out to Fawn's Rest by myself. Mom finally noticed that I took Dad's thermos. I'm going there to get it now. I guess I'll cut it here. Hello? Anyone here?